In this video, I will show you how to make an eggless brownie with a crinkle top. Melt your couverture chocolate. Then melt your butter. To enhance the flavor of chocolate, we're adding coffee. Warm condensed milk. While that's spinning, let me explain to you why condensed milk is used. It is used as a binding agent to replace eggs, to bring in richness and also a little sweetness. The reason we want to warm the condensed milk is so that we keep the entire chocolate melted. Add in your melted butter, coffee decoction, little vanilla and condensed milk. Give this batter a mix. Then you're going to sift in your maida, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Sieve it and fold it into your batter. Scrape, go under and fold the batter. Making brownies are actually a very simple process. We're going to bake it using a baking paper and a square tin that looks like this. Place the square tin on the baking paper and cut slightly bigger than the square. And one more here. Take some vegetable oil, pour on the tin. Using a pastry brush, spread on the tin. Place your baking paper inside and open the flaps. Pour your batter in the tin. Bake this at 160 degrees for 25 minutes with both rods on. And this is your eggless crinkle top brownie. Cool it down completely in the fridge. Lift it and cut into the pieces that you want.
It's very informative and educational and serious.
Very informative and educational. I think it should be a little fun. Should it not? Okay, I'll make it serious now.